Hey guys, so I just want to quickly tell you about my favorite theme, my favorite icon theme, and my favorite product icon theme for VS Code. So let me show you my favorites and what they can do for you in terms of how pleasurable your experience with VS Code is. So the theme in VS Code will change how VS Code looks for the most part, like the colors and stuff, but also it will give you syntax highlighting, which is one of the main things when choosing a theme. So let me open some file here. So let's open the login route, for example. So you have some code here, and this is how JavaScript code looks. Actually, this is TypeScript. By default in VS Code. So let's install, or rather activate, because it's already installed, the Cobalt 2 theme. This is a theme adapted by WesBoss. So let me pull this to the side and show you the difference. So this is how code looks. You put the theme, and this is how VS Code looks now. And to be honest with you, I absolutely love the syntax highlighting. The colors are really well chosen, and it makes the code so much easier to read. I love this. The next improvement is the icon theme. So these are the default icons for VS Code. Folders don't have icons really, they just have the arrow. And then you have these icons for some of the files. Maybe all files have icons. I don't remember seeing a file without an icon, but then again, I don't really use the default icon theme too much anyway. So let's install a better icon theme. So let's go to vscode-icons. This is the one. Take a look at the default and take a look at the difference with VS Code icons. So much better. Different folders have different icons depending on what they are. The icons for the files are much clearer. It recognizes icons like Vercel. So for example, even though these are two JSON files, they have different icons because this extension knows about files like that. So it's really nice. I love this extension, and it really makes locating a file in your file tree much easier. And lastly, and to be frank, I'm kind of nitpicking here, but I like to be thorough. I like to set also the product icon theme, which is like the icons that VS Code has. So these icons here, the icons here, the icons in this bar, these icons here, the icons that you'll see here. Some of them don't change, some of them do. For example, I don't like the run and debug icon because it's really two images in one. It's like a triangle and a bug. And also, I don't know if you know this, but in design, sharp corners draw your attention, and most of the time you just want to be focusing on your code. You don't want your file explorer. You don't want your eye to be drawn to those sharp corners. Anyway, if we set that product icon theme, then we will have slightly better icons. I do like these icons better. They're smoother. And that's it. Also, if you're interested in taking a look at my default settings for VS Code, check the description of the video below, and you will have a link to a GitHub repo where I share my VS Code settings. All right, catch you guys on the next one.